You're looking for a smart network, solar-powered, battery-operated, Wi-Fi security camera, 2 lenses with zoom and HD plus recording and more. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside the smart solar camera box. It comes nicely packaged and protected. Your security camera with a nice large solar panel. About 15 feet of cable, USB-C plugs into your camera and more. The color is silver, a chrome-like Saturn finish with your Wi-Fi antennas that go up and down on both sides. With the light, 2 cameras, PTZ adjustable and zoomable with vertical up and down. App driven, this is controlled by one, and the vertical up and down manually. Going over some of the details of the product. Comes in a Saturn type chrome finish. The vertical up and down manually adjusting, as you can see. The app-driven PTZ with LEDs, the sensor, the light, the dual antenna adjustments. On the bottom is your SDXC card area on and off. Please make sure the door is closed properly for IP65 rated. On the back is your speaker. And on the bottom is where your solar-powered 5-volt plug goes into and switches. Your bracket could be hung flat on the wall or underneath the eaves, like so. An instruction guide and the application to download your product. For the first time, charge your product with the USB-A to C port. A hardware kit of 4 long screws and 4 green anchors. And the solar attachment with the anchors, screws, and short bolts. Assembling the solar panels as simple as grabbing the screws and bolts, placing on one bolt, and the bracket is adjustable on an angle to get out of the way and to hang vertically and horizontally and adjust to the sun. Be able to turn it sideways, up and down. Find a location and correctly hang. And start to adjust your panel accordingly to the sun and lock down. We'll work on the security camera inside, prepare it, and set it up outside when completed. You locate the power source to plug in to charge for the first time. We remove any stickers on the film of the camera lenses. And looking for the charge located on the side of the USB-C. We open up the app EaseCloud. We get the information provided in the manual. And we sign up, register, play a little game, 90 seconds to put in your code and create a password. We do not touch anything until we go to the camera on the bottom where we plugged in, hit the switch. It's going to calibrate.
Please configure the network.
And do its test. Over here is the scan QR symbol. And in the manual, again, will be your QR symbol for the application. We are ready to hit Add Smart Device. Discover nearby equipment, network camera, ID. Add. Put in your wireless connection, your router, and password. Once you hit Connect, join.
Wireless settings, please wait.
It's going through its test. As you can see, it's giving a networking count.
The wireless connection is successful.
We are connected just like that, and I am on wireless router 5G. Put a name to the device, put the information provided, click next, choose the information it's giving you, and installing, and there's the signal just like that. So our next step is to hook this up outside where we need it to be within Wi-Fi range. After your camera is already charged and ready to go outside, find a location and start to lock down. Close up and seal the door. And make sure this door in the back is sealed as well. Adjust your camera down or up, your angle. The PTZ can be adjusted via the application to look to the street. So I am covered where my front door and my front area. Opening up the application, anywhere around the world, as long as you have Wi-Fi connection, you simply press and connect to the app. Within a couple of seconds, you are connected just like so. You can take your phone and turn it to the side, and you get a full screen of the PTZ camera, and you can switch by hitting the picture-in-picture to the vertical camera. You can zoom in. You could switch over and you could zoom in as well, up to 10 times. You're able to tap the screen and you have PTZ that you could switch over, go back and forth, left and right, up and down. You're able to press the blue button and communicate back and forth. And then when you finish, your two-way is over. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the cog and show you what the cog looks like by turning the phone the correct way. And you'll see you have motion detection alert. You can set up the zones, set up the sensitivity to pick a rat, to pick a dog, to pick a human being. You hit shut down. It goes back to the same screen that you've been on. You could do pictures for human being, motion tracking, and to detect the area you want by simply empty the area out, hold down, and adjust accordingly in the areas like so. Confirm. You could put a siren on and a white light. You could push notifications to your phone. The screen and sound settings, PTZ control, format your card, and more. You could go fast, slow, recalibrate, flip it around. As you see, there was movement at the door. It would have notified me when set up. And we'll show you what this looks like in the evening hours. In order to play back your video, you hit Events. You can press on the photo and play back. As you can see, I am in different shots of the unit. Evening hours, we've taken a video so you can see, and we'll run the application and show you what it looks like with the light on and so forth. As you can see, that's what it looks like at nighttime. And we'll light up the security light, show you what it looks like when it's lit up. Lights up, shines, and shut off. This is a test, 1, 2, 1, 2. The solar panel security light smart network detects human, pets, dogs, and more. for your security needs. It has a vertical camera that goes up and down in a certain degree, and a PTZ that adjusts around in a certain degree. Enjoy your product if this is something that is right for you.